Hi Aditi, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Aditi, I'm very happy and excited to meet you and to welcome you to our session here. In today's session, I would be curious in getting your viewpoints on various aspects, and we would also like to know about your experience with EduBridge. To start with, Aditi, could you please tell all our viewers today about a little bit about yourself? Could you
Okay,
please
sir.
also tell a little bit about your family background and about what your parents do?
Okay, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Aditi Das. I am from Patsala town under Borpeta district, Assam. There are four members in my family. My father is an ex-serviceman and my mother is a house worker. And currently I am doing a banking course in edubris, and I am very passionate about my work, about my life, and I just want to become a successful woman in my life with my hard work.
Amazing, amazing, very nice. So, Aditi, could you please also tell us how did you come to know about our website and what did you learn from the course that you enrolled for?
Okay, sir. I have got to know about this website through one of my friend, and I wanted to learn from this website about a banking course which is called BCVF.
Okay, very nice. So, Aditi, could you please also tell us how was your overall experience with the online training?
The sir, this online training is very helpful for me. It has helped me to increase my knowledge about banking sector along with communication skills ma- to develop my personality. That's it, sir.
Okay, well, good, very nice.
Thank you,
Um,
sir.
so, Aditi, could you please also tell us how do you think this course has shaped you as a person?
First of all, the this course is very interesting, and this course has shaped me as a better person and as a smart person. It has helped me to build my to build my um, knowledge about banking, to develop my communication skills, my personality. It is very
Good.
helpful for me.
Good. Thank you. I'm so happy to hear so many nice things about your training, and I'm excited to know that you loved your training. So, good
Yes,
job. Very nice.
thank you, sir.
Aditi, could you please also tell us which part of the training was your favorite and you liked the most?
Uh, Basically, the whole course is interesting. It is very helpful for me. But I have found it the English communication and the grammar part is very interesting.
Okay, well, that is good that you like the communication part, very
Sir.
interesting. Good
Yes.
job. Aditi, could you please also tell us how did you find the Learn by Yourself modules?
The modules are very interesting part. Uh, it has many activities to do, and these activities has helped me to increase my thinking capability.
Okay, well, that is good, very nice. Um, Aditi, could you please also tell us what can we do to make your training experience even better?
Sir, for me, the training session is excellent. It has no need to sense anything in this training because it is excellent for me.
Okay, well, that is simply superb, and I'm so happy to know these words from you. Good job,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Now, Aditi, I would also like to know from you since you are so happy with the training that you have received, and
Yes,
since
sir.
your experience with the training has been superb, would you like to recommend EduBridge and its courses to your friends and relatives?
Of course, sir. I would recommend EduBridge and its courses to all of my friends and my relatives who are searching for a better placement or searching for a job. because EduBridge provides a beautiful
Opportunity, yes.
it provides a beautiful opportunity to get a job. It provides a job placement for their student, and it provides banking course.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Aditi, could you please also tell us, you know, so how is this course going to help you at your new job?
Sir, we all know that a well-groomed personality is needed for any job, and I think this EduBridge and this course has helped me to increase my knowledge about banking sector. It developed my personality. It developed my communication skills. That's it, sir. It
That
is
is
very
simply
helpful for
superb.
me.
I'm absolutely happy and delighted that your
Yes,
trainers
sir.
have done
Thank you,
such an
sir.
amazing job. All you, along with all your students, your trainers, all of you have been so hardworking, and all of you
Yes,
have
sir.
made the training so fun. And I'm glad to
Yes,
know
sir.
that you learned so much in the training and that the training is
Yes, sir.
fruitful for you. So good job, very nice. And
Thank
Aditi,
you, sir.
last but not the least, I would
Yes,
also
sir.
like to know from you, what do you think and what is your feel about the My Resume section on the students portal?
Sir, this the my resume section is very interesting because uh, in this section we can create our own resume, and we can sense the color of our resume in this section, and we can custom our resume in is here.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely amazing. So, Aditi, this was simply superb. I loved talking and interacting with you. Um, Aditi, towards the end of
Thank you,
our
sir.
interaction, would you like to say anything else about the training, about the trainers? Would you like to thank someone?
Sir, lastly, I'm very thankful to all the trainers in EduBridge because EduBridge has helped me to increase my knowledge about all the banking sector. It has helped me to increase my communication. It develops my communication skills. It has helped me to build my personality better. So thank you so much, sir.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you very much, Aditi. It was very nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I am glad that you and all your friends, all of you have liked the training so much, and I am glad that this training would be so helpful in improving your professional career. I wish you and all your other friends a very best of luck. I wish you
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.